all about risk exposure. So obviously, could we potentially make more money? Of course, I'm not gonna lie, potentially yes. Could we potentially lose more money? Of course, with every single trade, there is also risk involved. So sometimes it's just a strategic decision, but by not doing anything, we are saving money. So especially when it comes to beginner traders, they have this assumption that you have to be in a market all the time, because the more time you're going to spend in a market, the more chances you have that you will make money. True, but on other side, you have more chances that you will lose money. Okay, and because mostly, especially when we are talking beginner traders, they don't understand how to manage the risk. Okay, anyone can make money. Any single person can make money. Market is very simple. Market can either go up or either go down. That's it. There is no asset in the world that will be just stuck at the same price for extended period of time. It just doesn't happen. Unless we are talking of the bonds, but even bonds move. So, but any tradable asset, it does not get stuck in one price. It will move up or it will move down. So basically, you have 50-50 chances, right? If you don't really know what is happening, if you don't understand how to analyze the market, for you to be trading, let's say 100 trades, and for you to lose on all of them, you would have to be the most unluckiest person in the world. Yeah. That would be like get struck by lightning 100 times in a row. It has never happened. I have never heard something like that happen, and I don't think I will ever will.